It had to be a beautiful day, because every morning we pray. Goodbyes are sometimes the last thing we say. Left home happy to go to school, on my new uniform looking all cool. I promised my mama and father that one day I'll make them proud. Be a doctor, be a soldier, or be a teacher. I was supposed to come home driving, not to come home laying down. I will see you again. I will see you again. I will see. May the Lord heal all your pain. May the Lord heal all your pain. I will see you again. I will see you again. I will see. May the Lord heal all your pain. May the Lord heal all your pain. I'm in a better place now. May you please don't cry. May you please don't cry. I need you to stay strong. Nobody thought nobody knew that it will be a sad week for the nation. Why me? Why us? And why now? At a time when life is worth a living, here I'm laying inside my coffin. Nobody has the answers yet, but my family and friends need them. Yes, they really need them. The closure can help them heal again. I'm sorry I also didn't see it coming. I plan to change the world. I will see you again. I will see you again. I will see. May the Lord heal all your pain. May the Lord heal all your pain. I will see you again. I will see you again. May the Lord heal all your pain. May the Lord heal all your pain. I'm in a better place now. May you please don't cry. May you please don't cry. I need you to stay strong. May you please don't cry. 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 May you please don't cry.